upon him. Zabur was revealed to Sayyidina Dawood, peace be upon him. Injil was revealed to Sayyidina Isa, peace be upon him. While the Quran was revealed to Sayyidina Muhammad, Allah bless him and give him peace. Dear audience, so it is necessary for us to learn the Quran and follow its teachings. The Quran is the soul and the weapon of Muslim society. Muslim society cannot be alive if it is left without Quran. If it will ignore and forget the Quran, if it indeed, at this I conclude my talk, praying Allah to guide us to all His right path. Amin.